Greetings from room 7. If you're watching this, it's because you are desperately missing this place and everything we do here. So, this is the work I'm going to send home. We have not been using this page, but this is some stuff that was coming up soon that is really straightforward and not too hard to get if you've been keeping up so far. The auxiliaries. We have different exercises, okay? This one, there's two, but you know how I always rip them in half, so really you only have to do one. This is very simple, you know, it says puedo right there. When you look here and you see the yellow box, well, puedo means I can. All right, and that's all this is. Please notice that we have a two-part one, tiene que. Hopefully, people remember that tiene is this familiar word here. But when we say tiene que, it's kind of like saying have to. So bear in mind, it's like a two-part one. Tengo by itself, I have. Tengo que, I have to. And so there they all are. It even reminds you of what the page is. So with that, you can do something like this. You want to dance. Okay, 9 across is you want to dance. Let's get a pencil. So, you want to dance. You want is here. It's quieres. So, let me fit that in there. Q-U-I-E-R-E-S. Okay, you want to dance. The old trusty verb list. Okay, dance. Let's see. There it is. Bailar. So let's go back here again. So, quieres is you want. And then to dance, straight off the list, as it's spelled on the list, no other changes, bailar. Quieres bailar. That's all there is to saying you want to dance. Hey, what if I said no quieres bailar? What would that mean? Of course, that would mean you don't want to dance, but that's not what 9 across is asking for. So, there you have that, okay? If you can do this, you can do this, okay? No sabe is right there. All right, limpiar is on the verb list. El escritorio is on your classroom objects. I'm going to give you a hint. Mr. Crespo, let's see, sabe, he knows, but it's no sabe. Mr. Crespo doesn't know to clean the desk. Well, natural English, that's really going to be Mr. Crespo doesn't know how to clean the desk. This is no longer true. I have a very clean desk this year, but I didn't make this assignment this year. You can also do this one, okay? We're saying cuando all the time. Remember cuando? Cuando is on those question words. Excuse me. There's cuando right in the middle. It means when. So, cuando vas a ir a tu casa? Well, vas, what's that? It's on the green. It's going. When you go your house. When are you going to go to your house? So 1 is the question, A is the answer to that question. This is another one. It's the same game, okay? Quiero, you know, every single one of these, just like every single one of these, just like every single one of these, just like every single one of these has something from this page. It's got something from other pages too, you know, in almost every case, there's going to be something from the verb list. But there you go, okay? This is going to have one. Quiero visitar. Quiero is I want. What's visitar? Right, visit. I want to visit. Look, family member vocabulary. Time expressions. It's in here, okay? Now, look at these two. See this vocabulary? There's your same auxiliaries. It's those. Here's some verbs that are not all on the verb list. And here are some complements. That's the thing you attach to the verb. Car, bus. So, do you see how you can do things like, I want to repair a bus? I don't know how often people say that, but that's the thing you could say. This is the assignment where I ask you to do that. The word in Spanish for I want, the word in Spanish for repair, the word in Spanish for a bus, for example. Or you could say, I want to fly a spaceship. You could say, I want to fly a boat, and put it in good Spanish. The deal is Spanish in the boxes, and then in the long box, write down the English. I need to see the English of what you think you're saying in Spanish. Now, here's the one that looks scary, but it's not really scary. Same vocabulary as over here, except I wrote paragraphs. Not every word is up here. Not every word is in the binder, but you can figure it out. And when you're doing this without me right there to help, you're stuck in the position where you've just got to make a solid guess and go with it as though you were right. There are a lot of times that you will not figure it out to the point that you're totally confident until you take it that far. For the moment, this is what I'm ready to put together and send home. Good luck, everybody.